Hello, today I'll be comparing a SIFENE single-serve coffee machine 3-in-1 pot coffee maker 4K pot capsule versus Hamilton Beach 14-cup programmable coffee maker with easy measure light up reusable filter. Be sure to watch to the end and I will tell you which is better. Links to all the products are in the description. So let's start. Type of coffee. Hamilton Beach is better. Brewing capacity. Hamilton Beach. Brew strength control. Hamilton Beach is win again. Hot and cold coffee is neither. Milk frozen again neither. Programmability. Hamilton Beach is winner. Ease of use SIFENE. Water reservoir Hamilton Beach is better. Cleaning Hamilton Beach is better. Footprint and design SIFENE is better. Heating element Hamilton Beach is the winner. Build quality Hamilton Beach is better. Special features Hamilton Beach again is better. Suitability Hamilton Beach. Price depends on need. What's best for depends on house built. Coffee quality is Hamilton Beach winner. Durability is again Hamilton Beach's win. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that will really taste good making coffee, then the best choice will be the Hamilton Beach 14-cup programmable coffee maker with easy measure light up reusable filter. The link to buy it is in the video description.